Hi everyone and welcome back to UtahSEO.Ninja's weekly beacon news roundup. We had some interesting news in the newsletter today, ranging from how small retailers can use beacon technology to improve customer experience, to new apps for detecting these little guys, and that's really exciting. But today I want to do something a little bit different. Now, I'd asked this one in the Facebook groups, but I'd like to see what you guys come up with. Now, there's a rumor going around that Amazon wants to buy Target. Now, there are some arguments both for it and against it and whatever, and I don't want to get into that. This is going to be more speculation and, what if theory kind of thing. I want to talk about what would happen if Amazon did buy Target and they suddenly got access to Target's beacon infrastructure. So, as many of you already know, Target installed beacons in about half of its locations across the US. They're tied into the Target app and they're currently being used for indoor mapping of the stores. So if you want to find the toothpaste, they show exactly when the store the toothpaste is located. This was big news in the industry because it represented one of the largest advances in proximity marketing for retail environments. And it was just a big advancement in beacon adaptation. Now, most of us here, usually we don't use beacons that particular way. A lot of us use beacons to promote local businesses or to provide some sort of additional service to the users. So, if Target were to be purchased by Amazon, and if Amazon were then to change those beacons from, the mapping to good old-fashioned promotion, they could promote products that they have in the physical store along with the products that they have online. So imagine for a moment buying shampoo at the store and receiving an email shortly after saying, hey, it's been a couple of weeks, are you ready to order a refill of your shampoo? Here's the button to do it. Or if you buy a vacuum like we did yesterday, which is a very stressful experience, and then you start seeing Facebook ads reminding you that you need to buy replacement bags or filters or whatever. You could keep the mapping system installed, and then that way they could see if you stop in front of certain products in the store for a long time but without actually purchasing anything, they know that's something that you're probably going to be interested in, and then they can show you ads for those products, once you get home on Facebook. So there's a lot of interesting things that could happen in this kind of an environment, and that's kind of what I wanted to do with you guys today. I want to offer you a challenge. If you were setting something like this up for a retail client with both online and physical goods, how would you do it? I'm talking like what platforms would you use, what kind of beacons would you prefer, what kind of website would you put together, all that kind of stuff. And then what I'll do is I'm going to take some of my favorite responses from here, from the email list, and then also from the Facebook group, and make a video highlighting these different approaches and like a little mini promotion for those making these recommendations. So you get to show off a little bit of what you can do as far as a proximity marketer and like these different approaches that you would take, and you get some free promotion at the same time. So it's pretty darn cool. And there are some very, very smart people who watch these silly videos, and I'm really excited to see what you guys actually come up with. I've got my own little ideas over here, but I want to see what you guys can come up with. But I'm going to be on vacation all of next week, going to be watching GDQ, and I'm also going to start working on my own citywide network. I'll probably hop on and do a live stream between the events, so if you guys want to check those out, make sure to subscribe and hit the little bell icon to receive those notifications. All the important links are in the description. I will see you guys sometime next week, and like I said, I'm really excited to see what you guys come up with. So I think it's going to be a cool video. I'm excited about it. But yeah, see you guys then. Bye.